Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how we can make these beautiful butterflies. I'm going to tell you the last November 25 I was invited to make these butterflies because in honor of this foundation that's called Butterfly Effect that fights against the gender violence. So these women or people that have suffered from violence make these butterflies, and it's like the goal to stop having gender violence in the world. So this day is International Day. So they asked me to teach you to make these butterflies and join to this cause and spread the message. So today I'm going to teach you how you can make these butterflies in this situation. In this case I made it purple because this is the color of the day. This is the color of the International Day of the Gender Violence. So I choose this color, that's why I choose this color to make this butterfly. But well, if you want to join to this cause, please make a butterfly this the next November 25. So you know that this will be the day of the International Day of the fight against the gender violence. Okay, so I'm going to give you the step by step of how you can make this beautiful butterfly. In this case, I'm going to make it for this day, but you can make it for a lot of things, for presents, for decorations, and for yourself. Maybe you can make it for a hat or for a project that you have in mind, and you can use it as a decoration too. Okay, it will be very useful. Remember that I love to make videos that are easy and fast, so I'm going to make it in the easiest and simple way to make a butterfly. So first I will give you the material list and then the step by step, and before we start I invite all of you to subscribe to my channel. Well, for these butterflies I'm going to use this fine material. I'm going to use it in purple. To make these butterflies I'm going to use a crochet hook of number 4, or you can use the material that you may like and the hook according to this material. We will start making a magic ring, and then we will make 16 double crochets inside the magic ring. But don't worry, I will give you the step by step. So this is how we are going to start. As you could see, there are two parts of the butterfly. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Well, we will start making chains with our hook and with one thread. We are going to make 5 chains to make the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, at the end of the 5 chains we are going to close in circle. We are going to slip 1 to close like this, and then we will go up with 2 chains, and then inside we will make a double crochet of 2 crochets. Okay, inside we are going to make 16. Well, at the end of the 16 double crochets we will slip 1 to close. We will slip 1 more to go inside, and between the 2 double crochets, the next 2 double crochets, we will go up with 3 chains. We will skip 1 stitch, and in the next one we are going to insert our hook, single crochet, and then we will make 6 chains, 4, 5, and 6. Skip 1, and in the next one, right here, single crochet, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me check. Okay, we will go backwards. Okay, we skip 1, and in the next one just single crochet. So once we are going to make 3 and then 6, then we are going to make 3 chains, single crochet in the next stitch, then 6 chains, skip 1 and single crochet. So this is the sequence that we are going to follow. Once we are going to make 3 chains, skip 1 and single crochet, then 6 chains, skip 1 and single crochet. So like this, how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, at the end of the last sequence, we are just going to slip 1 to close. If you count, you must have 8 waves like this one in the whole row. So you can take this as a reference if you are making the same design than me. And also 8 short waves, okay? Well, then we are going to slip 1, and then inside the first wave we are going to make double crochets. We are going to make 5 double crochets of 2 crochets, okay? Remember that we are making these double crochets out of 2. Okay, let me count again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to make one more, 5 double crochets. Then we will make 3 chains. We will come back and insert our hook in the same space to make the picot. And then again 5 double crochets. 1, 2, all inside the same space, okay? Inside the first wave that we made the last 5 double crochets. After the 5 double crochets, then here in the short wave we are going to make a single crochet. And then we will go right away to the next wave, and we are going to repeat the same. Inside we are going to make 5 double crochets, and this will be like the first petal, if we could say. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then 3 chains, and we are going to make the picot stitch. Remember that we are going to come back to the same stitch that we are making the chains, and right there we are going to make the picot. We are going to slip 1 to close, and then we are going to continue with the 5 double crochets inside the same wave, and this will be the second petal, okay? Remember that we are calling these petals, but we are making the butterflies wave. Then we are going to slip 1 in the next wave, and well, this will be the sequence that we are going to follow for the coming waves, okay? At the end we must have 8 petals like this one. Well, at the end of the 8 waves, of the 8 petals, we are going to slip 1 to close right here, and then we will cut the thread. We are going to fold the flower that we have just made, and as you could see, if we fold it, we have created the butterfly. You see, now here inside, here in between the flies, we are going to make a chain. I made this one too smaller. If you want, I can teach you how you can make the horns of the butterfly. I made this one with a different material, that's why it looks smaller. Also, I made this one with a different hook number, so that's why it looks like a little bit smaller than the one that we have just made. So as you could see, you can make different sizes of butterflies to decorate something or a project that you have in mind. But well, for now I will teach you how we can make the horns. Okay, for the horns we are going to leave a long thread like this one, and then from here we will start making 5 chains. We are going to take the loop, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we are going to make 3 more to have 8. Then we are going to cut also a long thread, and then we are going to pass it through. So you see, now we have the chains, so we are going to pass it in between. So we are going to insert it in this little hole that we have here in between. Remember that before you have to fold it to create the shape of the butterfly. Well, now we are going to make a knot right in the top of the butterfly, And then we will take these threads to, if they were the horns, so we are going to cut and we are going to leave just a little horns, so this could be the horns of the butterfly. So what do you think? Easy, right? Well, so I hope that you have liked making this butterfly with me. Remember that in this occasion I made it for against the gender violence, but you can make it to decorate something. I was thinking that you can decorate a dress that you make, or you can use it for a headband or for a hat or for a beanie or for a blanket, for everything. I think that you can use a butterfly to decorate everything that you may have in mind. So I hope that you like it. Please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!